Today we'll be using an acid-base reaction to go to the moon. Let's get started! My assistant and I are putting the vinegar and baking soda to start an acid-base reaction. We're out here. It's gonna blow!
Tower, you are cleared runway 27.
This is launch control. Dr. Simmons, are you ready for takeoff?
Yes, I'm ready for takeoff.
Roger that.
Three, two, one.
Guys, I made it to the moon. It's so cool. Time to go back home. I loved it. Bye. Woo!